Good morning, ma'am.
That day I discussed the syllabus and I told you we have letters of complaint. So today we are
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
revise letter of complaint, letter to editor and letter of complaints. That's all. Only two kinds of letters are there. Letter to editor and letter of complaints. So this is the question. Your Karan Oberoi, sports captain. You had placed an order of sports goods. London Sports. On receiving the goods, you found that some items. This is your question. Please see, go through this letter. Please read it. Read it because you need to be very confident now in
I am
September.
unable to see the screen.
Beta, can others see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta,
Yes,
there must be something towards your side. You can leave the meeting and join again. Try that if others can see.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, good morning, dear. Only one problem is there. You need to put a comma after November. I told you the other day also in the class that there are only two kinds of letters in your syllabus, letter to editor and letter of complaint. That's all. Rest everything is deleted now. Letter to editor, letter of complaint. Letter to editor we have discussed many times. So let us revise some letter of complaints. I've shared it on your screen. Please go through it. Just read it. That's enough for you as of now. Then I'll tell you what has to be done. I hope you did read the question. You had ordered for some sports goods, and whatever you order, the things which have come are less also and they're defective also. So let's see how we express ourselves in such a case. See how short it should be. It's a letter of complaint, official letter, formal letter.
Ma'am,
Yes, Peter.
ma'am, you not check my English copy, ma'am.
What?
मैम आपने मेरी इंग्लिश की कॉपी चेक नहीं की मैम टेस्ट की मैम मैंने व्हाट्सएप पे भेजी थी
व्हाट्सएप पे तो बेटा अलाउड ही नहीं था कॉपीज भेजना. You were sent a mail ID.
मैम
Yes
वो
or
मैम
no?
मेल पर जा
One
नहीं
at
रही
a
थी
time. One at a time. So you never informed me. You should have called me.
मैम मैंने ना आपको कॉल भी लगाया था पर मैम आपकी कॉल ही
तो
नहीं
possible
लगी
नहीं है. You remember मैंने एग्जाम से पहले भी सबको कह दिया था प्लीज डू नॉट सेंड योर कॉपीज ऑन व्हाट्सएप क्योंकि वो खुलती ही नहीं है 3 4 5 दिन. हाउ डू आई नो? मैं कोई भी चेक नहीं करी. जो भी व्हाट्सएप पे आई थी आई डिड नॉट चेक बिकॉज
मैम तो
यू
मैम
नॉट वेरी क्लियरली कि आपको जो है व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं भेजना है. आफ्टर ऑल दिस इज अ फोन. 500 600 PDF अगर इसमें आ जाएंगी तो ये वैसे ही नहीं खुलेंगी. दैट इज व्हाई आई सेंट अ मेल टू ऑल ऑफ यू ना कि आप उस पे सेंड करिए.
Ma'am,
अगर कोई
what
प्रॉब्लम
we have to do?
है देन एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव कॉल्ड मी और यू शुड हैव कॉल्ड योर क्लास टीचर. डिड यू टेल योर क्लास टीचर अबाउट इट?
यस मैम
उस दिन बताया? डिड यू टेल योर क्लास टीचर द सेम डे जिस दिन एग्जाम था?
मैंने शशि मैम से कहा था वो बोली मैं बोल दूंगी मैम को
वेरी नाइस. बेटा अगर सब लोग व्हाट्सएप पे भेजेंगे तो टीचर जो है वो पक्का पागल हो जाएगा. वो खुलती ही नहीं है. व्हाट्सएप PDF फाइल्स अगर मैं सेम डे डाउनलोड नहीं करूंगी एक आध दिन तक इफ आई डोंट डाउनलोड इट इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू ओपन ओनली. Anyways, I'll note down your case. I'll discuss with sir. I'll check. And what about your literature part?
मैम वो भी चेक नहीं हुआ
हाँ तो you must have sent on WhatsApp.
मैम मैम पर मैम मैंने इंग्लिश का काम कंप्लीट करा पर मेरे को मैम मैम उसमें कॉपी के मार्क्स 0 मिले
Beta, I have already told you first so you speak
Yes,
in English.
ma'am, same
Number
with
two.
me.
हाँ
मैम
dear,
आई
I'll let
कंप्लीट माय इंग्लिश बट आई गेट 0
You ask Surbhi ma'am. I have already told you people that in the first term, you people don't come to class, you don't know only anything. I had told very clearly, first term में यही decide हुआ है, principal sir and we had decided because we have 2 teachers. So first term में attendance and notebooks के marks they will be given by Surbhi ma'am. Please mute your mics. Please mute your mic.
Ma'am,
And
I have given 0 attendance.
so why don't you talk to ma'am? Why don't you discuss with Surbhi ma'am, beta? I'm
मैम
telling you. See, beta, I'm telling you very clearly. In the first term, Surbhi ma'am has given marks for notebooks and attendance both. Second term, I will give. यही decide हुआ था because we have 2 teachers. So it was
ma'am,
decided. Yes.
ma'am, can I
Your,
send my PDF to you again?
no, beta, I'll have to ask first to principal sir what is the case. If he allows only, then you send. Otherwise, let me ask what it is.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I also got 0 in physics just because of this.
Because of what?
Ma'am, network issue.
Network issue means?
Ma'am, like my PDF was not sent to sir.
Why it was not sent, beta?
Ma'am, I haven't checked the mail, ma'am, but it was not gone to sir. Ma'am, then he called me, then I sent again, then he haven't give me a single mark.
In class 10th, this much so you should check now that you giving an exam, your mail has gone or it has not gone. At least itna to dhyan rakhiye. You should be at least careful about this little thing. Anyway, show you your PDF. I'll check in my phone if it is still there and if it doesn't open.
Ma'am, तो ma'am, तो can I send again, ma'am? Then you open, ma'am.
No, you can send again, but I'll have to ask principal sir now. If he allows only, then I'll be able to check. But आप भेज तो दो ही, okay?
ठीक है, ma'am.
आप भेज दो.
Ma'am, Surbhi ma'am से भी, ma'am, you tell to Surbhi ma'am also.
How can I tell Surbhi ma'am? And all those issues which have of attendance and चलो ठीक है भेज देना मैं बात कर लूँगी Surbhi ma'am से, okay?
Ma'am, done.
You send both the WhatsApp to me only, sure. ठीक है?
Okay.
I'll talk to Surbhi ma'am. But children, I will not talk about
also from my
Is it okay, clear? I will not talk to Surbhi ma'am regarding your attendance and notebooks marks. However, this case of Shoaib is different. This I'll talk. आप भेज देना अपना PDF. I'll talk to ma'am. But for attendance and notebooks, please talk yourself if there are any issues. Okay. Second term I'll give that. I'll see to it. But as of now, if there is an issue of notebooks and attendance, you talk to ma'am. Anyone else who had sent a PDF and has got a 0? Tell me right now.
Yes, ma'am. Ayush.
That is physics now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please talk to Gagan, please.
No, beta, but how do we know, na? Gagandar, see, this case, Shoaib's case is different. He had sent it that day. उसी दिन इन्होंने PDF send कर दिया था, बस WhatsApp पे send किया था. But you have not sent only. Now, how does the teacher know that you were present or you were not present? You did not send the mail. You did not check. How will the teacher know, beta, कि आपने उसी दिन exam दिया या किसी और दिन दिया है?
Ma'am, I have sent the screenshot to Gagan, sir.
You send the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am, of the mail.
चलो ठीक है, then I'll talk to you. What is your name, Ayush? Singh.
Singh.
Ayush Singh. You have sent a screenshot that you had sent it on the same day. Then I can talk to sir.
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. Ayush Singh can show it. Fine. ठीक है बेटा.
Ma'am, Vivan also.
What happened to you, Vivan?
Ma'am, my economics copy is not checked.
Why?
Ma'am, I will send thrice, but sir not seen.
When did you check? Send same day or after 10
On
days?
same day. I'm on same day before 9:05.
अच्छा. चलो ठीक है. Then I'll talk to Raman sir now.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटा. I'll speak. If it is so, then we'll get it done. Of course, because there are so many mails, so maybe kuch miss ho gaya. That's absolutely okay. I'll tell Raman sir, he'll do it. Any other issues in this class? Let me know. Yes. If there's any other issue, you let me know, children. Okay, now these three children, Ayush Singh, Shoaib and Rivan, you message me on Monday, okay? I'll let you know your marks. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
But only in the condition that your mail had gone the same day. ये नहीं है कि 4 दिन के बाद गया है, or if you send a screenshot that you did send it on the same day. Did you read the letter? Yes? Finished? Dhananjay, you want to say something? You raise your hand. Dhananjay wants to say something, but he's not saying also. Have you finished reading the letter, children? Now read this one. This is again a complaint letter. Please read it. Ayush Singh, Shoaib and Vivan, I've noted down. Ayush is physics, Shoaib is English, and Vivan is economics. I'll just request the teachers. I'll speak to them. Hurry up, finish reading and raise your hand, those who finished. Jaldi jaldi kariye, please. Raise your hands, those who finished reading this letter also, quickly.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of inferior?
Meaning of what, beta?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of inferior?
देखो बेटा, inferior means poor quality and superior means good quality. Inferior means कुछ खराब,
Bad
बुरा.
quality.
Yes, bad quality. And if it is
Okay.
superior, then we are talking about very good quality.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Speak.
Ma'am, I have shared the screen. Ma'am, I have shared the same screenshot with you also on the WhatsApp.
Okay, fine. I'll speak to the teachers and you message me on Monday. Don't call me, just message me on Monday, huh? I'll let you know your marks. If they were sent on the same day, we can surely consider it. No issues. Okay? No problem. You should discuss all these things with the class teachers also. And that too, you should do it on the same day. If you tell the same day.
Ma'am, I have discussed. He looked, ma'am, but he haven't given me his marks.
No, I'm talking about your class teacher. Did you discuss the point with your class teachers? The same problem that you
Yes,
faced?
ma'am.
Are you sure
Ma'am,
discussed?
on PTM.
Achha, on PTM you discussed? Okay, then let me find out. Maybe she has told Gagan sir about it. Who is the class teacher, bache?
Ma'am, we talked
Should we?
to
Shashi, ma'am.
but she
Achha. Maybe. Let me ask Gagan sir. I'm sure she must have informed. Shashi ma'am must have surely informed. Because whatever feedbacks we have of the PTM, we always share it if we have some problems. So first, never mind. I'll ask Gagan sir. Ma'am must have surely done it. And 1% if it is not done, then I'll see. But you people also be a little more careful now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Especially Shoaib, now you're in class 10. Why don't you tell Gulshan sir one day to teach you how to make, how to do mail? You don't know how to send a mail.
ma'am, my network issue, that's why I sent to on WhatsApp, ma'am.
Network issue always comes in exams only. I have seen this. Other days there is no network issue. Many students, exam day, so much of network issue comes.
Done. Ma'am, what is the meaning of MESAP?
Messrs is the name of a registered company. Supposing you want to open Supposing you are making some, tell me what factory you want to open. Tell me what factory. What do you want to make? You want to make sports items, you want to make clothes, what do you want to make? Supposing I give you a chance, okay, open a factory. What factory will you open? Arey, children, help him. You people tell me
Ma'am,
what factory.
ice cream
Ma'am, what,
factory.
ma'am, please?
Ice cream factory. Okay, you are also fond of ice creams. Huh? I am also very fond of ice creams. I also like ice cream a lot. So we will say Mrs. Dhananjay Ice Cream Company. Means a registered company. Mrs. Company means registered. A company which is registered with the government, where quality is assured and all those things.
And ma'am, what
Read.
is the meaning of mishap?
Mishap.
Yes, ma'am.
Mishap is a short form of a mishappening. मतलब कुछ गड़बड़, कुछ गलती हो गया, कुछ मतलब mishap means कुछ गलत हो गया, कुछ बुरा हो गया. That is mishappening.
Ma'am, mistake.
किसी के एक्सीडेंट होता है या कुछ होता है, then it is mishap.
Okay.
Harshit Oberoi, which section? Any idea?
Ma'am, he's in our section.
Is it section or not section?
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
Harshit is in section.
Ma'am, he's in our
No,
section.
ma'am.
One is saying yes, one is saying no. Your people are
Ma'am,
great.
Ma'am, Harshit is in B section in our class.
Acha, B section. Have you read the letter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Akka, everybody? If you want, mute your audios.
Ma'am,
Okay. Mute your audio, child. Some construction work going on in somebody's house. Mute your audios.
ma'am,
Otherwise, I'll have to mute everybody. Only unmute yourself when you have to speak. Okay?
Ma'am,
That
it
is
is
what I-
Chirag.
Chirag, unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Otherwise, I'll have to mute you or remove you. I have no options otherwise. Chirag, please mute yourself. Yes.
ma'am, I send it the PDF to you.
Okay. Let me see. Literature and language both.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First, I'll check on with my phone that day you send the PDF and at what time, and if it is everything is fine, then
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
check. Then I'll check. 15th was your exam, I remember. Even if the PDF doesn't open, it must be at least 9. Did you write your name that my ma'am, I'm so and so sending the PDF? Did you write a message along with it? Yes, Shoaib, did you write or not? Ready?
Ma'am, I write it. Ma'am, my PDF not going on Gmail. That's why I'm sending here.
Did you write this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you write your name?
Ma'am, name. Yes, ma'am. On PDF, it is written my name.
PDF it is written. See now, see children. I don't have your number saved now, Shoaib. थोड़ा तो सोचा करो बच्चों. You're simply sending PDFs. How do I know किसका है? How can I download so many PDFs for just to find out कि नाम किसका है? Class 9th is there, beta. 10th is there. 11th is there. 12th is there. 11, 12 biology is there. अच्छा अब आप calculate करो चलो. Just imagine 40 PDFs coming from one class. This is I'm taking minimum. 9th, how many sections? Let me check your maths. बोलो बच्चों.
3.
How many sections?
Ma'am, 3 sections.
So how many PDFs from class 9 for English?
120.
Okay. Now let's move on to class 10. How many sections?
3.
No.
How many from 10?
120.
120 plus 120 becomes
240.
240.
240.
Now let's move on to class 11. 4
Excuse me,
sections.
ma'am.
Yes.
I'm 460.
Ma'am, may I
440.
rejoin, ma'am? Your voice is lagging.
So in class 11th, we have 4 sections: PCM, PCB, Commerce, and Humanities. So now again take up that figure, add it up.
Ma'am,
240.
160.
160 and 240 makes?
Ma'am, 300. Ma'am, 400.
400. Now come to class 12th. We have 3 sections. Come on, class 10. Add karo. Jaldi, jaldi. Come on. Another 120 added to 400
Ma'am,
makes how much?
520.
520.
520 for English. Okay, 520 for English. Then I take biology class 11th and biology class 12th. Add up another 80.
600.
600.
And if then 600 PDFs come on my phone, so my phone will blast for sure. And I cannot check 600 PDFs in a day, beta. So what happens is maximum 10, 12, 15 PDFs in one day. And फिर वो खुलते ही नहीं है. The problems that we have is वो अगर download नहीं करो same day. And I cannot download 200 PDFs on the same day, no? That is why I always tell you people, beta, mail कर दो, mail कर दो. Mail में ये at least if I open it later, it opens up. At least write your names when you're sending. Try to mail it and at least write your name. Even if you're sending on WhatsApp, naam to likh do. I'll keep guessing out of 600 who is this child. Shoaib, समझ में आ गया? My
Yes,
problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. चलो ठीक है. It's over now. I'll speak
Ma'am?
to the teacher. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I said
ठीक है. I said ना, I'll check out with the date and time. We'll check. छोड़ो now, don't worry about that. Have you read the letter,
Read.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? What are we complaining about?
Ma'am, the tracksuit.
Ma'am, tracksuit, about defective tracksuit.
Okay. Now I'll give you 3-4 minutes. Orally, we will do this letter.
Yes, ma'am.
You are the school librarian. You had ordered for some books. What did you order for?
Books.
Books. And then when the books came, you saw that the books which have come, you did not order for them. Some other books have come. And some books are less also. Supposing you ordered for 100 physics S-Chan, only 40 have come or 60 have come. So they're less in number. Number one. Okay. And the items ordered have not come also. So please plan your letter of complaint quickly and we are going to discuss very soon. Plan and raise your hands. Raise your hands once you finish, children, quickly. Yes, who is ready? Let me see. Only 3 people. Dhananjay, Haseen and Dhruv. That's it. Very bad. Okay, start. Who will start first?
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am,
Okay,
may
okay, one at a time. And if you start.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Peter, one by one you all can speak. Speak.
I placed an order of 10 books of Ashtan. When I received, I saw that there were only 5 books, and when I opened the book, they were not in good condition. I have ordered first time, but then also I received not a good response from you. So I request you to send me the other books with a good quality, and these books I am returning. Thank you. Have a kind day, and yours sincerely.
Very good. Just don't say have a kind day, say have a good day. Okay, if needed. Okay. And you should end up like this also. That I hope it will be replaced soon or something like this. Huh?
Okay.
Very nice. Very nice. At least efforts hai bahut achhe, bahut badhiya. Yes, dear. Who's going to speak next? Come on, start.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, yes. Why not? Speak.
Respected sir, I am a customer of your honorable and respectable company. I have ordered some items.
Speak better. What happened? What happened, beta? Ready? Okay. Someone else speak by the time.
Sorry, ma'am, I was disconnected.
Okay.
May I continue?
Yes, yes, continue.
Ma'am, I am speaking from first. Respected sir, I am a customer of your respected and honorable company. I have ordered I have ordered 40 books of Asian class 10 physics, but out of 40 I have got only 20, and that were also two losing their pages. That's so that I am requesting you to return my order as soon as possible. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Dhruv Sharma. Ma'am, this one.
Excellent, Dhruv. Very, very nice. See, he has made everything clear that I had ordered and you have sent it less, so I'm returning you. Everything is clear in what he has said. Very, very nice, Dhruv. Very good. Well done.
Thank you,
Yes. Speak next. Who will speak next, Peter?
ma'am. Nobody.
What about others? Harshit, Malay.
Ma'am, I am writing when I will send.
Okay, Dhananjay is writing. Is there anyone else who is writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finish writing quickly. And those who speak spoken, you also write and post on the group Peter. So that if there are any spelling or grammatical errors, I can check them. Hurry up, hurry up. Those who have spoken will write now and post on the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Others also, I'm waiting. Please hurry up, Peter. Hurry up, hurry up. Yes, Malay, Sohali. What about you? You'll speak or you'll write?
We are writing.
Okay, Peter. Hurry up, Peter. Finish writing. Finish writing. Those who have finished, inform me and post on the group so that I can check. Hurry up, beta, so that I can check your grammatical errors and spelling mistakes. Please post. Let me ask others. Harshit, Nikhil, Vishesh, Anya. What about you people?
I'm doing.
I'm writing.
I'm writing.
Okay, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the format will be like this: that 10 November 2019, or that one format only that we have done.
Yes, you can write in this format only. Two minutes I'm giving. After that, we'll discuss. Everybody will try and finish it in 2 minutes. Okay? And then we'll discuss. Yes, those who are writing, have they finished?
No, sir. No, ma'am.
Okay, take another minute, dear.
I'm done.
Will you read out Dhananjay? Read, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Can I start from the subject?
Yes, Peter. Start.
Subject received less number of books. We placed a bulk order for your honorable company. We had received only 20 dictionaries, and I gave you the order for 40 Oxford dictionaries, but you gave me the another one, so it's not easy to digest. So I so kindly replace them and send me my ordered dictionary. I will send this whole cartoon again. So next time I will accept that expect that this will not happen again. Yours sincerely, Arpit Malhotra.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Very nice. You can post it now. Yes, who else is posting? Come on, one by one, quickly, we need to post. Tell me, child, who is posting?
Ma'am, I will post.
Okay, good. You are posting. Don't take so much of time to write a letter, beta. Hurry up.
I have posted.
What happened? Other students were also writing.
Yes, ma'am, I am writing. Ma'am, last.
Okay, I'm waiting. Post.
Thank you, ma'am.
Posted, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Read it out. Read for us.
Ma'am, I have read.
Acha, you too have read. I thought somebody else has also done. What are they writing so much?